Hi guys, it's Dan with Green Touch Industries, and it's that time of year where we're going to be releasing our new limited edition racks. Normally we display these at the GIE Expo so you guys get a good look. So we actually are doing it in our backyard in West Palm Beach this year. We're going to zoom in a little bit later so you can take a look and see a little bit of a closer look of the racks. They're really cool this year. We went with the new camo look. So basically we've used 4 different colors in the camo. We've clear coated the racks for durability. Also, both of the units are going to be coming with the new stainless steel locks. So this is a very good durable lock that won't rust on you. So you can see them a little bit better, but again, everything just pops open. The racks are all universal. They will work on open, enclosed, Isuzu trucks, any application you want. Even SUVs, if you want to mount them on a little SUV, Gator, golf cart. This is the racks that are available this year, so we encourage you guys to go online, pre-order your rack because we do have a limited amount. Once they're out, they're out. And we always appreciate your business, your input, and thank you again for your support.